So I am back again today to do a new project, and I'm going to do something you can use on recycled materials. We are going to decorate a 3D letter with quilling. And first things, I have to tell how to make a 3D letter. And if you have watched my previous videos, you will find some videos that how to make a 3D letter. But today again I'm going to repeat the same procedure, so you can, if in case if you cannot find the video, so you can go again and search it. So first you have to trace two parts of the same letter. For example, I'm today doing H because I have few more letters done. So you have to have one for the back and one for the front. For example, like this way, front side and the back side. So first you will need that one. Then you need same side, equal side pieces for the sides. So because it should be like you can easily stand it. That's why. So I'm going to use masking tape, and just edges should be together like this way. And next I will add this part on this one. If you watch my all the videos, you will find there's so many useful videos how to make a 3D letter step by step all the way. You will find some videos. Then I need to put one on this side, so it will be covered all the parts. And I'm always using masking tape because it's much more easy for me. Of course you can use hot glue, but the thing is when you use hot glue, once it gets dry, that dots are everywhere will be available and it looks a little bit bumpy bit, so I don't like that. That's the reason I'm just using the masking tape. So then you have to find the edges wherever you have to cover all the areas like this way. I'm covering this part. So masking tape is much more easy and simple, so that's the reason I'm using masking tape. So if you feel like this, if you see this part is little bit big, so I'm going to cut it off, and then this part I will be putting. So see. So I'm going to cover all the parts, so it should be look like a box directly. So if you see now, this side all covered, so I'm going to put a cardboard piece here and the up also. So you can use cardboard boxes, water boxes, those kind of things for this project. It's very easy and useful materials. You don't need to use expensive materials. This is the basic way. You just need to make the letter first, step number 1. And the second step you will be doing is you have to cover the full letter with just newspaper cuttings or old paper, something, if you want to color it, remember that. So if you see, this side also done. Now only this part I have to cover. If you see now, all the full box is covered around. I'm just doing simple way so I can explain you. So I cut 2 back on one side, on two same letter, 2 side for the one front or back, and then I use small size cardboard pieces and cover the full area. So if you want to color this paper, you have to cover the full letter with masking tape or newspaper cutting, it's up to you. But remember, if you want to color, you have to use decoupage technique and cover the full letter with newspapers. This is all newspapers. This is very easy. You can find, tear it apart and just use normal white glue and cover the full letter with newspaper. Do not leave it with only masking tape, because once you color with the masking tape, this masking tapes are peeling and coming off. So it will never leave it like that way. So if you want to color it, make sure you cover the full letter with decoupage technique. It's newspapers you can use. So as I show you, here see, I already did this one letter full with newspaper, and then only I colored it. This one now it's very nice, solid, and it's not coming off. So what I use, normal acrylic paint, whatever the color you like to use, you can use it and decorate, just color it. So I'm going to use quilling technique. If you, most of you all know how to do quilling, it's just normal quilling papers you can use. You just take the quilling pin, roll it. It's up to you which design you want to do. Once you make the 3D letter, it's up to you how you want. But the today's technique that we are using, coloring and quilling. So we're going to use quilling tool, and you see, just slowly remove it and bend it from one side, you get a water drop. Bend it from 2 sides, you get like an eye shape. And I'm using normal white glue. This is normal liquid glue. You can use that one, and you will have like a eye drop shape. So if you want like a different shape, you can bend from the both side, you get another shape. You can see like that way. So if you see my previous video, you will find some videos how to make quilling also. So this is something that I did previously, but the two techniques are different and we mixing together. First we made the 3D letter, and you can color it the way you like. I use acrylic paint and colored it with purple color. And I have now quilling papers. I made so much quilling. If you see, this box is full with quilling. So I love doing quilling, so I made it 10K. So I will use normal white glue. And I will decorate it the simple way. You can just use the quillings that you make. Designs up to you how you like to do. Don't worry about the glue, because once it gets dry, it will not show. You don't need to worry about it. So I'm going just flower shapes, that's why. Just use the quilling and design the way you like. And the good news that I had to tell you guys, you can always get the full kit from me. You can just go to the website or Instagram, anything, just comment saying that you want the full kit. I will prepare you all the letter and the quilling paper with the glue, everything. You can get it from us. It's very easy. So I'm almost done with few quillings, but I have now 3D liners. So I'm going to use 3D liners and decorate it. The hard part is 3D liners taking time to come out from the tube. So like this way, I'm going to cover the full letter with quillings. So, and I have 3D liners, so I'm going to just use some liners and decorate it. This is going to be so simple. Remember, you can get from me, from the Artbeat Studio, you can get the full package with one letter and the quilling papers and the paint all as a kit. You can of course go to the Instagram and comment, or like you can get the full package online order. Thank you so much for watching me, and I'm going to post the later once it's finished done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's project. Thank you for watching me. See you tomorrow with a new project.